In the heart of Gujarat, a road whispers tales of defiance against gravity. As the sun dips behind the Tulsishyam temple, vehicles left to their own devices roll uphill as if pulled by an unseen hand. A divine force, perhaps, or an otherworldly realm hidden within the folds of the mundane. Travel west, and the rugged terrain of Maharashtra reveals Nadu, where water dares to flow against its natural course. Amidst the misty embrace of the Western Ghats, a waterfall cascades upwards, challenging the very laws that bind us. A spectacle that leaves even the most seasoned travelers questioning the fabric of reality. In the ancient land of Andhra Pradesh, the Ladakh temple stands proud, its grandeur only matched by the marvel of a pillar suspended in mid-air. Legend whispers of blessings bestowed upon those who pass beneath this gravity-defying wonder, and of a British engineer's futile attempts to uncover its secrets. Venture further north, and the barren landscapes of Ladakh unfold the enigma of Magnetic Hill. Here, cars roll uphill, seemingly unbound by the laws of physics. A sight that bewilders, drawing you into a world where the conventional rules are mere suggestions, easily defied by unseen forces. Finally, in the serene town of Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu, Krishna's butterball stands unyielding. This colossal boulder, perched precariously on a steep slope, resists all attempts to dislodge it. Legends speak of celestial origins and futile attempts by 7 elephants to move this steadfast marvel. As we journey through these enigmatic locations, each offers a glimpse into the secrets of gravity. From roads that lead uphill and waterfalls that flow upwards, to floating pillars and immovable boulders, India's tapestry is woven with mysteries that defy our understanding of the world. In this land of ancient secrets and divine wonders, the truth may indeed be stranger than fiction, inviting us to step off the beaten path and uncover the mysteries that lie hidden in plain sight.